I'm a clinical team lead at Row. My focus is basically running the operations side of our studies. There were a lot of things that I think Row as a company was looking for when we purchased Oracle CTMS. We looked at a lot of vendors, but at the end of the day, we were looking for a platform that could provide us with the ability to mine data. I think we're getting into a phase where clinical research is really a data-driven process. So we were looking for kind of a warehouse that we could store all of our information on our studies. Row, I think we succeed because we started as a kind of homegrown company. So I think with that background, we had a lot of stats programmers who developed a lot of tools for us. But as you grow, you need a little bit more of a foundation to kind of house all of your information. So it was kind of that natural progression from homegrown tools to Oracle Siebel. The end goal is to completely remove Excel trackers. I think that's hard for anybody in any company to probably stomach. And I think as we roll out Oracle Siebel to our users, we'll eventually get them to see that that what you tracked before in Excel, you can now move into CTMS. I think our top benefit with Oracle CTMS is related to trip reports. What we have seen since we've rolled it out is that our CRAs have a much more efficient turnaround time in being able to write their trip reports. So that's a huge efficiency that we can see. And since that's one of our main kind of deliverable products to our client, to see efficiencies there is a huge win. I think our second benefit that we see is our ability to mine historical data. One of the things that CTMS allows us to do in the system are assessments. So we can actually create assessments for each of our sites. That also helps us from a business development perspective. When we're getting an RFP for a potential client, we can mine all of that data to tell them, these are the studies, these are some of the potential sites that we can use. This is how we've done an enrollment for those past few studies. So it provides us with an easier way of accessing all of that information. Our relationship with Oracle has been pretty positive from day one. The representatives that have come and helped us configure the system have essentially held our hand the entire way. The way we rolled out the system or configured it, we went through this entire process where they would essentially come to Row every other week and they would demo a piece of the system for us. It was really a collaborative effort to see how we could take our processes and what they said that Siebel could do for us and find the middle ground to what we ultimately released to our end users.